Hello, good evening, everybody. You all look amazing. Yeah, happy weekend. It's been a while. How una dey? How dey happen? It's alright. But today, I'm not gonna be talking too much. I will not be taking so much of your time. It's just gonna be short and long and a point video. So please, as you are here watching me right now, kindly do me a favor by pressing the share button. That is all I requested for. And please, also please invite any video presenter you know to come. We want to appreciate them. And please, if I am not fighting you, don't sit down here to insult me. I go find register where I keep register. I go find and come. If I can't sit down, not get register, I want to talk with you, I want to talk. So now register, I go find and come. Who say I go, some say I go high, I go smoke it. But I see they hide, they smoke it. If I tire and now light and you want beat me, say let's go high, go smoke it. I bet my sister not very Lillian and I register, I go find. Thank you very much, Becca. Thank you. You are a good girl. Okay, let me cross my leg. For the case you are joining me for the first time, this is me, officially Gladys William, popularly known as Celeste, the original baddest queen herself. The only one wey no dey take position and they no dey take her name. Just me. So, before I go on my register form, thank you, Frank Fanta Cook, thank you. So before I go on this register, I have this list I have in my head. Let me quickly talk about Georgina and Glory. I don't have much to say about these two people, in the sense that Georgina is fully alive. Thank you very much. Georgina is fully alive and healthy. If I die here and I say, hello, Georgina, can you please come and tell us where you were beaten, where you were molested, where your friend beat you, like person wey be say e no get person, or like person wey be say e thief, or like person wey be say e do wetin e not supposed to do, or like person wey cross the boundary. Where were you? Wetin happen? Georgina fit answer me. She fit pick up my call and start laminating, complaining, reporting, explaining what happened. But the other question now is, who is not the person that gonna call me Glory? So that Glory will also come, sit down. I will sit that her. Hello, sister. I beg, wetin Georgina do wey make you forget her for her body like that? Wetin happen? But it's unfortunate. The person is questioned. Thank you very much, Shanta. Thank you, Jay. Wayawese. Thank you for the compliment. But it's unfortunate. The person in question, this Glory in question, she's dead. Person wey Georgina get problem with, Glory, that woman wey sit down top of Georgina, they boom, they beat her. Where the judge now, that's what I'm saying. So the person in question is dead and be buried. Okay. Now my question is, how now the video is now out? Why they come they share the video, they go? They give out to I proclaim my people. Now what if they see that they post? They're not they negotiate. If you give them, they will post. If they see for judgment, they will pick, they will post. Why they can't bring the video now out to media to start with? I believe that when that incident happened, when Glory was beating Georgina, this is no longer weird because it's not a disease. When Glory was beating Georgina, there was somebody there who was doing the video recording. And the person who was doing this video recording, you all can hear it from Glory when she was telling Georgina that as long that you are not a friend to a man, which was the video camera woman, as long that you are not a friend to a man, she and Glory can never be friends again. Unayera and where she talk her. Okay. My question, I'm not saying I don't know who posted them. Why this video now is on her? If the person where beat person don't die, and who then beats now they are alive. So get mad, they say, he do me this one. Now what happen with this? He do me, he not do me, he lie against me, I not lie against them. Still less, if I tell you what happen, you go cry for me. Still less, if I tell you how it happen, that they change them, not be so it happen. Fine. 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 Fine, Georgina fit explain, but who want where Glory dey? This person who bring this video out to me, that should able at least look for Amiwu for us. This person should look for Amiwu. No me agbomi. Since the matter now, media now is not to the talk about the dead and the living. So the person who bring this video now should now look for Amiwu that we will not send to go and ask Glory. If everything Georgina explained to Stainless, if it's true, because me, I cannot go ask Glory. Me, I cannot call Glory. Me, I don't know direction where Glory face. For that side, now, whether they wear my part, then I make her ask my papa, you see, and I feel that they communicate with my father based on. But I don't know direction where Glory pass. But my comment on this is this. Even in the court of law, when the person, the victim in charge, or the person in charge in that case, in that file in court, when the person is dead, automatically that file will be forgotten and abandoned. Because no deceased will go to prison. Fine. Omorishi Jesus. Stainless na like she tell me. Fine. Omorishi Jesus. I beg. Emi call Glory. Come. Wake Glory up. Una no say Stainless not they use one person. Matter they judge person. When Glory mania. Call Glory for me. Or communicate with her. Can't tell me what the Glory tell you. Because me, that is why I no go fit call Georgina like this now for this my platform as me and you dey talk so at this Facebook matter like this. I cannot call Georgina and I say, Georgina, I beg, come explain to people, explain to the people of the world what happened between you and Glory, where make Glory they beat you that day. Georgina feel lie, she feel the talk truth, she feel the lie. But who wants speak for Glory? Where Glory dey? And she's dead 2 months ago. Where Glory dey? Why they come they bring this matter now to me? That is my question. They say that Glory had Georgina spoil when make Glory beat her, but the person in question is dead. She wants to go and settle her house with Jesus. She wants to go and settle her house with Jesus. Why this video now come they fly up and down? So this what even reach YouTube, the woman they say, if you see what happened, bestie, that is what you heard. And the person that was doing it now to work and say, any good banner now what I beat and put with this, see what happened when we say it make her call my husband. See what happened when make her not day. Fine. God will speak for her. I love that part you said. They should have let this video lies. They should have forgotten about this thing if they really want God to speak for the dead. Because when men make another me. Me make an have a I never see where they graze before. Now only this Facebook now, this other glory now, Georgina now come they make me the fear now say that body. So then I will go come we need to come the go cemetery now or go look for grave. Wake people up now. They ask them say, "I you do this thing when you do that before you die," because I don't see reason why this video is on here. I see no reason why. If you ask the like so, I see no reason why. If the person in question is not there to ask, to defend herself or to even speak, say, see what Georgina do me, see what happened between me and Georgina, where made Georgina carry phone, go call my husband. See what happen, see what not happen, see what if not there. I went out there no do talo. E Georgina got talent by glory ogi. I who want to help glory talk. Say see what happen. The same of me woke up glory best friend. Not forget say they been parable say agwana meje me no no. Wala wo. Me kuna le matter the like that for where like that put. I greet you my person. Over Sabi continue. I greet you maro ne ajena. Amukana get over Sabi so take we ati mi de na. Amukana ni we na no ma wagbon. Huh? Why this video now? Me the thing just they make me the verse. Or maybe that person will not see like glory, Georgina, or will not see like Georgina. You see, say, Bob, you go say, hey, make I bring out comments now. You bringing it comments is not a problem, but don't forget, people like the woman where I watched the video for her, one woman where I watched the video for her YouTube channel. She was just speaking and see the glory is there to cause. Say glory alpha. Wasunu. She didn't even mention that this woman is dead. So that this whole thing will just go. Like say it don't happen, but it not happen again. But even at one said, I love you, we can move here to water one here. They back a can and other man can. Now let God know. Huh? I just tell you for now. Yeah, what you want to me? This what well, I'm who then only I'm who go judge this case. Not be me, not be a proco, not be you any presenter. Now I'm who now go judge this case. We go tell us say this is exactly what happened. Me at the Buffy people at the bank, me not your when I want to be high your banner. When mega when the Georgina Tana or get the sunu between your glory. In a molokung be banner. All look over to me with hair, to me with hair. But the Georgina mama and glory mother and me no. I be mona take an easy. Mona take an easy. What take easy? Oh, come here. I not give me in Facebook. It made me say the girl even died because the way she was like the action where she pull, the way when she mend, where her organity they mend, when she was mending, where her organity they mend. I didn't like that action, but it made me say she don't samakwe. That one pay me for inside. But what this video now, when I hear I even ask, I say again now, what about this girl? He said my sister, the girl thought I was like, why this video? How the video content come? She said she don't know. Why they bring the video come and she said she don't know? What did they say on? They say she don't know. Say the matter happened 2 years ago. Not before today the matter happened. Now the person don't that the video come the fly they go. Why are people like this? What you now want game? Glory. Over that thing, baby. See, o ti hear me for obonok pagodo. O ye hear me for obonok pagodo. Baba was a no man leg be no se wa gbon carry me. Let that me. If you have personal issue with Georgina, she's still alive. Fight on your own fight. Bring your own fight with Georgina. Come. Glory and Georgina don't pass. It was 2 years ago, and the painful part of it, the person who beats person is gone. She's not there to ask what happened. Now Juju be that too. Now Juju be that too because the matter don't tire me. I just tired. Well, now if you be say any matter na region my mama amigu na we not say amigu the amigu, yes, amigu na amigu the part of life, that one with the amigu wey go that side, come back to this side, come finally go. So she come back again now. We for Asan say go again, go look for glory. Asan ask wetin happen. Then go come back, come tell us, say Stainless, I see glory. I ask am you come tell me say see. I come say I put on God say the one wey Georgina tell me, you see dey my head. Oh yeah, may I convert am. May I see whether it resemble, whether it not resemble. Amigu no dey when I go send. Now only Amigu go fit judge this case. But if it be say glory your boy post a video now, as long not be glory using her take post this video put for media, this video put for media, where they circulate, they go now, they say Georgina spoil glory house, may her soul rest in perfect peace. If God wishes, that is the wish of God. But may I pray for her, may her soul rest in perfect peace. If it be say not be glory use her hand take post this video put for media, and we not make glory or her bomb and not post a video name. Now wetin kill glory, now go kill that person where they put this video, where they cast that video, they go. Now wetin kill not be una wey put am for media, una see am now una pick. Person wey leak that video come out, as long say not be glory use her hand tell leak and come out. Person wey use her hand tell leak that video come out. Wey come see be say person wey don die, e matter na people come dey even dey know am. When they go approach financial na rest in peace. Na if there you wey bring am come out. Now wetin keep glory? Ugu no gbe glory, emi no gbe glory, emi no gbe glory, accident no gbe glory, kemi no gbe glory, ohi agbu again ohi. Now that thing go see kill you. You will not be far from it, and you will never escape it. What a nagbonai. Whether na bad person, whether not be good person, that one no matter. Wetin dey pay me now be say Georgina don't explain to Stainless. I don't feel can call her and I make she can't explain. But because I don't go see the other person, I don't feel just one person my content the judge here. But as long that not be glory post that video come out, person wey post that video come out, now what it kill glory, now go kill that person. Now what it glory see for body, now that person go see for body. The pain of motherless where glory pikin they feel, now that person go feel if na man, if na woman. What it happen? Who don't die, not go let her rest. Who never die, not go let her rest. Huh? When I who am I? Nothing dead this life. If you see the way where the woman they talk self, you go surprised when they'll tell you say she don't die. The boldness that was in her, the self-confidence she was using to when she they talk. If they tell you say she don't, you go shock. Eh? No one they would agree say make they even write and say this video was 2 years ago, but the person in question is dead. If you want post something put for media, explain, put details so that who want take go know what you want take. If it's what taking go take, if you know what taking go screw up. What via king kaya? Well, no poster and there. People wey media like a person like a Proco, now copy and paste, now very they do. If they see the carry, they'll paste, they'll copy, they'll send them out. Now their name, they be a Proco. But a person bring and come out before they go meet them because they don't go that they're not there that the way that incident happen. Wanna take this life easy. I leave that case there. So let's go to the register. Ask me. All this one where you dey write, whether Georgina na Tifo, whether na Ashawo, I don't even know the Georgina. I don't know. Na call she call, explain and say okay, but where the glory? He said, oh, Gune. I said, this matter, me I not see matter here. Because me not fit go look for glory friend. Now what I say, I bet glory, wait here, my glory friend, wait here I put to Georgina and I no fit because like glory na fights where they video. Now she go talk. As far as say she not dead, the matter don't die. Oh, wagen ogu no ragmo ewe. No mera imi, o ti de fwa godo, o ti he de fwa, ti. It's just 2 years ago. Not even yesterday. Not even yesterday, oh. 2 years ago. 2 years ago, let that video be. Not even yesterday. Me come the surprise say, now the video come dey here. Even they not pay me. There is no good explanation to say, if now not planning to know the best way it happened to the 2 people, one is not there, one is late, or one is remaining. No. I want to new Bessie. There are still friends. If your friend not favor you, he favor others. If your friendship not give you good name, not give you better thing, it make others become who they are today. Friendship. If your friendship not do you anything, say your friends, there are still friends. Me, I have. And I have my friends. And I'm proud of them. Yes, so please, not be 1, 2 people go quarrel. Bessie, if you see Bessie, if you see Bessie wrong, if you see Bessie wrong, go where? Like Bessie also bama so that is it. Not be everybody wear this hair, where then my hair go fit, where it fit me. Whether it fit me, I don't even know. So now say it be. Okay? That video I be long ago, 2 years ago. Picking the born 2 years ago, don't they start kindergarten? You don't they go school. Mama don't carry and they come on for house. Una should have let the dead body lies. Una for let the dead body lies. Bless you, I greet you. Now go let the dead body your day where you day. All right. I have here with me a special note and a good name jotted down. And thank you, Greta. And today, my name, like I do say, I can see we have more followers now, more viewers. If you are just joining me, and if it's your first time, my name is Gladys William, popularly aka known as original Bada Kunseles. I said, wow, is me? You are welcome. Ben, invite your colleague Aproko. Well, so like this, I have a note from my senior colleague, able, comfortable, original, responsible, realistic, and a mother, a wife, a sister, a auntie. Who am I speaking about? Is Kokolet Oriahi Imatitikwa, the senior colleague, my senior colleague, our general senior colleague on social media, Facebook Talkative Show. So today, I'm my able self. We are here together to appreciate and thank every one of you for the ministry and the way the ministry is growing and growing, and the ministry have grown beyond our imagination. Because when we started this, the way people were criticizing us, commonizing us, calling us sort of names, we will never know. We never knew there would be a lot of crowd. In fact, our ministry, I'm not sure, say, some departments for University of Benin, they get this kind of students in their one department. We are proud of ourselves. So, yes, number one. She's number one. I go see me. Me go ma see me position. Go say no salo ba me na ko be. She's a senior colleague and she remains senior colleague. When she start, I start. She throw. Now me and I even they do score that year. None of those of Let's continue. When this industry we started 2014. She started around 2013, middle 2013, recording, posting. I started 2014 on Facebook. I started on Facebook October 17, 2014. That was, I came to Netherlands October 14, 2014. After I settled down for one corner, now I do video to help myself. That is when I start my Facebook recording, whatever. So, as so far so well, in this ministry, we are having a lot of pupils and students. And we're going to be calling our students the one that we have recognized, we have seen, and people have known their platform, their Facebook name, their pages, their channel, that people, even if they are having 3 views, as long as they are making noise, as we were making noise when we started it. We have all names here. So, the names, and please, every one of you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 2013. I'm not mistaken. I know what I'm saying, baby. You don't understand. Not be yesterday, don't say. And we have a lot of pilots here. We're gonna be. Senior colleague, you are welcome to the high table. Claro, come on for there. Where my best senior colleague, my boy, zero get to ta. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are total say feel comfortable, not the app. More welcome you. Senior colleague, you are welcome. All right. Here we have from number 1 to 42. You can see we have grown. Senior colleague, Marie, Imaya Bosilo, Manasilo, Anasilo, Unasi, Inasi, Unanti, Inanti, me and Batim. Oh, you can't my own. You are not Batimu. Oh, may I call you? Okay. May I call you? May I welcome you? Let's welcome our.
See me. You see, I say I don't the house. Make it not be like say I disappoint you. Make it not be like say I disappoint you. Now I say join this broadcast. I know the house. I know they hear you. I know they hear what you let they talk. I know they hear what you they talk. I know they hear what you they talk. Say less.
I ain't lying.
I know they hear what you they talk. Say less. I know they hear what you say less they talk. I know they hear what